This one small ball is enough to get rid of mice and rats in your home. Rodents settle in quickly and like to return to places where they feel safe, so the key is not only to scare them away, but also to prevent them from coming back. I'll show you a simple method that works effectively. Take a cotton pad that absorbs and releases scents well. Add half a teaspoon of garlic. Garlic has a very strong smell that rodents can't tolerate and instinctively avoid. Next, sprinkle it with cayenne pepper. Its sharp aroma irritates rodents and makes the deterrent even more effective. Add 10 drops of peppermint essential oil. Peppermint has an intense scent that confuses mice and rats and disrupts their sense of direction. Add a few drops of lavender essential oil to strengthen the mixture and make the smell even more unpleasant for rodents. Take some plastic wrap the cotton pad into a small ball, and poke a few holes in it with a toothpick so the scent can slowly escape. Place it where rodents may appear, such as in the garage, basement, on the patio, or near entrances to your home. The scent lasts a long time and creates a barrier rodents don't want to cross. This method is cheap, safe, and doesn't require traps. Grate a candle using a grater. I'll show you a unique method you've likely never heard of. Start with a regular candle, either new or leftover. It's a great way to use scraps that might otherwise go to waste. Use the coarse side of the grater to create shavings. Paraffin has exceptional properties. It's durable, moisture-resistant, and an excellent carrier for other ingredients. Transfer the shavings to a small bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar to the shavings. The aroma of sugar acts as a magnet, and its structure blends easily with other ingredients. Next, take a few walnuts, remove their shells, and finely chop them. Walnuts have a strong scent and natural oils. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped walnuts to the mixture. Thoroughly combine all the ingredients into a uniform blend. Take a sheet of aluminum foil and tear off a larger piece, then divide it into smaller rectangles. Place 1 tablespoon of the mixture onto each piece. Spread these portions near areas like balcony windows or doors. This simple homemade method helps repel rodents. This blend will keep your home free of mice and rats. I spray this on the windshield wipers, and rats and mice stay far away. I pour 1 measuring cup of fabric softener and 1 measuring cup of pure alcohol into a jug. I add 1 glass of water and transfer everything into a spray bottle. I add a few cloves and spray the wipers. The strong smell of this mixture repels rodents. They avoid my home completely.